Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We have arrived at the beautiful island of Mauritius. It was supposed to be a solo trip, but on arrival I met Sabrina, who made my trip super fun. Sabrina, if you're seeing this, I hope you are doing well. As I cover finance and travel, we start with the currency. In Mauritius, the local currency is the Mauritian rupee. Getting there and prices for nice hotels can be expensive. Fortunately, there are a lot of affordable apartments for travelers on a budget. At the end of the vlog, I will have a price breakdown of the trip. There are plenty options for excursions. Usually you get offered a driver that drives you around the island to see multiple tourist sites during the day. You can choose between the North or South tour, as the island is big and you won't be able to see everything in one day due to distance. Some sites are free to visit, but the majority of tourist sites have an entrance fee that you pay on arrival, separately from the price you paid for the tour. Prices for tours are low and the quality is excellent in comparison to other destinations I have visited. For example, the boat tour consisted of swimming with the wild dolphins, snorkeling, views of Le Maurice, and lunch on a smaller island for only €35. In Mauritius, they speak 3 languages: Mauritian Creole, English, and French. The funny part is some people exclusively speak Creole or French, and other people speak English. The population of this island is a mix of African, Asian, and European. The prices for food are very budget friendly. For 20 euros per person a day, you are able to have lunch and dinner. I would like to connect more to my viewers, so feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. We have reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.